Around corners as well as...
Hi there, my name is Richard, I work at Trekitt. Nice to meet you.
What have we got?
We've got mixed fruit drop sweets.
We have arrived at Bike Park Wales. Ben has gone up to get his rental bike. We have Rich over here being a full-face monkey, and then Jamie and I using the half blades. What are we doing?
So we are here at the bike park. We are doing some training with Garmin, Greg from Dalesman. We're almost ready, we're about to go meet Greg. Maybe get a cup of tea down us and then hit the trails. Basically, what might be It's wrong, I mean there's a bouncy thing on the back and it does shit. Like, what's that about?
So don't crank them on too tight obviously, but they also need to be tight enough so they're not flapping around on your wrist, so you get an accurate reading then. They still will read, but obviously there could be some fluctuations then. And then just go through all the main menu to start with. O button if you like, that then gives you your activities. As the red bar goes around, that's just locating the GPS fix.
We all in?
Made it to the top. We have made it to the top. It was about 5 minutes on the uplift, and now we're going to go down that trail there called Sixtapod. Yep, we all got the Garmins on. Rich is on his fairly new bike. Jamie's letting some pressure out of his tyres. And this is Ben's first time riding a full sus.
Bit tacky. Rich has gone for the overtake. Forest bump. Big stone in the trail, Ben. We've got some rain.
This is slick.
Tight. Bit hard.
Where a full face, he said, it'll be a good idea, he said. Second uplift of the day. So tell the GoPro what you've just did.
So I thought I left my Garmin on my bike on the uplift. Got up here, couldn't find it. So I just asked the driver to keep an eye on it on his way down, and found it in my pocket. Standard. So there's on that. There's my heart rate. Way higher than it should be right now.
98, 93, 94, pressure's on.
I know the pressure is on. Oh no. What's that heart rate off?
What's your heart rate showing? Oh, higher than Ben's. Ben's is 111.
103. No, hang on. There we go, 110, now we go. 93.
So I've gone down the trail and I've stopped at this big left to right hander, and I'm going to film those guys coming down, see how quickly they go. There's my bike, dusty and reliable. We won't be hitting that, which is just crazy. I can see Ben's pink lid. Woo!
wobbly and jumpy.
So, we've currently done 9.2 miles, but a bit of that's in the uplift, so we'll gloss over that. Currently stand at 1,275 metres of elevation.
I'm dying.
Well, that time was done,
We're done. Bikes are packed up in the back. We got 7 runs in altogether?
Yeah, 6 uplift.
6, 7 runs. Learned a bit about Garmin. Got to keep them for a little bit, just to learn a bit more about them.
We'll set them up properly now.
Yeah, set it up on the phone. And now we're on our way back. The most important part of the day.
Well, I don't like that.